In this video, I'm going to show you the new super trend trading strategy that is along with a very powerful EMA and that provides us accurate buy and sell signals. Yes guys, this indicator has a different approach than the normal super trend and other strategies that are available on TradingView. This super trend can make you a profitable trader. If you're still looking for the good strategies, then you need to also subscribe my new YouTube channel that is in the name of Secret Trading Unmasked, because I have started sharing the secret strategies which are not in front of you and they are not explored by anyone on YouTube. So please find the link of the new YouTube channel in the description of this video below. So guys, about this indicator, this strategy is working very well because it uses the EMA method, and as we know that previously the super trend is quite normal and it is having a normal approach, but this strategy makes the better traders, and I will explain that how you can make a good amount of profit by using this strategy. So I'm going to remove the indicator from my screen and we need to go into the indicator section. So before we search the indicator, if you're still looking for the best broker to use, then I have given the broker link in the description of this video below. I'm using this broker from 2015 and they never scam you because this is one of the highly reputed broker and you can check its reputation from Google as well. So please find the broker link in the description of this video below. Okay guys, when we come into the indicator section here, we will search job tiers. Okay, so when you write job tier on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called job tiers version 6 by Joe Huang 1994, and you can see this is kind of a new stuff because we only have 19 likes on this indicator. So once we attach this indicator on our screen, it basically has a look like this, that a super trend will come into appearance, and also it is using the EMA lines. Okay, there is one problem, like if I take my mouse cursor to the to change the settings, so it's not possible because sometimes it works and sometimes it does not work, because might be it is restricted by the author to change the settings. Okay, so guys, when we talk about this indicator, you can see there was one indicator, if you remember, on TradingView that was in the name of Wonder Trend. If you just look at the method of this indicator, that is making the green curves lines, so that was used by the Wonder Trend before. So as per my assumption, it is using some sort of Wonder Trend, Super Trend and EMA. So this indicator can consist of at least three parts that I have discussed: Wonder Trend, EMA plus the moving average. Okay, so guys, so how we are going to utilize this indicator, that is very simple. Okay, so first of all, we cannot add the moving average, and also if you look at this moving average like yellow and blue, so just assume them both as a like you need to consume these both as a signal for you. Okay, for example, the price should be below the both moving averages and the price should be above the both moving averages. Okay, and might be the moving averages that this indicator is using might be 200 near or at the 200 period or something near to like this. Okay, so for example, we have a bullish candle, the super trend is into the green color, the price is meeting our conditions, it's above the both moving averages, then you will set up the stop loss at the previous low of the market, and let's see how much this trade has almost given us. This trade has given us 2.98 trading ratio here. Okay, then you see what happens, the Wonder Trend type of indicator, it turns into the red color, so it doesn't mean that you are going to place a sell order because you are above the two main moving averages. It means that the price action is into the in a bullish signal. So here what you need to do, you need to check that when the Wonder Trend changing its color from red to green. Okay, and the second condition is meeting here, the super trend is into the green color, and then let's say if it provides you a signal from here, then you will work like this, set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and at least you should start working on at least 1:1 or 1:2. This is how you can deal with this indicator. Okay, let me show you its signals on the other pairs. Okay, so for example, let's have a look on gold today. So on gold, okay, you can see it has given us a perfectly buy signal. The Wonder Trend indicator also turned into green color. It was a good buying chance. Keep on ignoring the red signals and you can see price is up. Okay, right now you can see the price is below these two EMAs, so please better wait. Okay, this is my suggestion. Whenever you have the break on the major EMAs, do not instantly enter into any kind of a sell position, and do not instantly enter into a immediately into a buy position. For example, let's have a look here. Okay, the price closes above the these two major two AMAs. Okay, so for example, let's say you skip that trade, then you can see the price closed below the these major EMAs. So what happens next? For example, if you entered into the sell position from here, then you must be a losing trader, because suddenly the price again reversed up. Okay, so always look at the background that is given by the super trend. You can see it was green, and then again the super trend, the wonder trend type of indicator turned into green color, and you will consider the approach that I am into the green phase, not a selling phase, and you can see again the price has pumped up. So these type of tactics are done by the market makers to confuse you that actually we are going short. Okay, so for example, they might be confusing you that we are going short, and after some time might be you see that again the green levels start from here, the wonder trend will change the color to green, and the super trend again changes the green color. So this is called a deception. That these type of areas are basically the trap areas that you need to avoid. Overall, if you are going to use this indicator with a sensible approach, then it's a very good useful tool, and especially this tool is completely for free to use on TradingView. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please do not forget to subscribe the new YouTube channel for the secret strategies, and the link is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.